Cats are known for their distinctive rough tongues, which feel quite different from the soft tongues of many other animals. This unique texture is attributed to tiny, hook-like structures called papillae. These papillae are made of keratin, the same protein that constitutes human hair and nails. When you take a close look, each papilla resembles a backward-facing spine. These structures serve several essential functions in the daily life of a cat. One of the primary purposes of papillae is grooming. Cats are meticulous groomers, often spending hours cleaning themselves each day. When a cat licks its fur, the papillae help to comb through it, removing dirt, debris, and loose hairs. This grooming mechanism is nature's way of providing cats with a built-in comb. Besides cleaning, this action also helps regulate their body temperature. As they groom, cats spread saliva over their body, which evaporates and provides a cooling effect. Another crucial function of the papillae is related to their carnivorous diet. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their diet is primarily composed of meat. The backward-facing hooks on their tongue effectively strip meat from the bones of their prey. When a cat eats, the papillae grasp and pull the meat in a manner similar to how a fork would work. This adaptation ensures minimal wastage of food. Beyond meat, papillae also assist in removing the feathers of birds or the fur of small mammals. This is essential as cats, especially wild variants, often consume creatures covered in fur or feathers. Their specialized tongue ensures they can access the nutritious meat beneath. Papillae also play a role in hydration. When drinking, a cat extends its tongue outward, allowing the liquid to adhere to the papillae. The cat then swiftly retracts its tongue, drawing the liquid into its mouth. This technique is quite different from how dogs drink and is more efficient. The importance of the cat's spiny tongue goes beyond just these physical functions. Grooming is also a social activity among cats. Mutual grooming, or strengthens social bonds between individuals. Through this action, cats can reach areas that are hard to groom by themselves, like the back of the head. Papillae, by extension, play a part in these social interactions by making grooming more effective. This tongue adaptation is seen not just in domestic cats but also in the larger members of the Felidae family. From lions to leopards, the spiny tongue is a common feature, demonstrating its evolutionary significance. When comparing across species, the rough texture of a cat's tongue is unique. Dogs, for example, have smooth tongues. This distinction emphasizes the different evolutionary paths and dietary needs of these species. The spiny tongue is an evolutionary marvel, a testament to nature's ability to design specialized tools for specific needs. Cats' grooming habits, facilitated by the papillae, also have health benefits. Regular grooming helps to reduce the risk of skin infections and parasites. Additionally, the act of grooming is soothing for cats, providing a form of self-comfort. When observing cats, it's clear that their tongue plays a pivotal role in their behavior. The repeated motion of licking, whether it's directed at their fur, another cat, or even occasionally their human companion, is deeply ingrained. The sensation of being licked by a cat, often described as being like sandpaper, is due to these keratinized structures. Interestingly, cats are not the only creatures with specialized tongues. Giraffes, for instance, have long prehensile tongues. Anteaters have elongated tongues to access ants deep within mounds. However, the cat's spiny tongue stands out for its multifunctional role. It's not just about food, it's about hygiene, social bonds, and comfort. For kittens, the mother's tongue is one of the first sensations they experience. Mother cats, or queens, use their tongues to stimulate kittens to breathe and to encourage them to feed. This early interaction begins the kitten's association of the rough tongue with care and affection. As kittens grow, they mimic their mother, learning the art of grooming. This learning process showcases the importance of the spiny tongue from the earliest stages of a cat's life. Another aspect to consider is the health of the tongue and papillae. Sometimes, cats can suffer from oral issues that affect their tongue. In such cases, their grooming habits may change, signaling to attentive owners that something might be amiss. Veterinarians occasionally encounter conditions where the papillae are affected or where lesions appear on the tongue. These conditions underscore the importance of regular checkups to ensure the tongue and mouth's overall health. From an anatomical perspective, the spiny tongue is a marvel of design. Each papilla, while tiny, plays a part in the grander scheme of the cat's survival and well-being. Scientific studies have delved deep into understanding the tongue's biomechanics. Through advanced imaging, researchers have been able to map the orientation and structure of these papillae. This research is not just for academic interest. Understanding the cat's tongue can have practical applications. For instance, researchers are studying the tongue to develop better brushes or cleaning tools. By mimicking the natural design of the cat's tongue, these tools can be more effective. This biomimicry approach, taking inspiration from nature to solve human problems, is gaining traction in various scientific fields. The cat's tongue, with its spiny papillae, is one such source of inspiration. Historically, many cultures have observed and documented the unique nature of the cat's tongue. Ancient Egyptian art, for instance, sometimes showcased the grooming habits of cats. These depictions were not just about aesthetics but highlighted the significance of the action. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt, and their behaviors, including the use of their spiny tongue, were considered noteworthy. In modern times, the curiosity around the cat's tongue persists. Pet owners often wonder about the rough texture and its purpose. Thanks to advancements in science, we have a clearer understanding today. Yet, the cat's tongue remains a symbol of the mysteries and marvels of the animal kingdom. Literature and folklore too have occasionally referenced the unique nature of the cat's tongue. Whether it's in children's tales or in scientific journals, the topic continues to fascinate. Beyond the practical roles it serves, the spiny tongue is a reminder of the intricate designs of evolution. Over millennia, cats have evolved to have this tool that serves them in diverse ways. From the vast plains of Africa, where lions lick their cubs, to a cozy living room where a house cat grooms itself, the spiny tongue is at work.